Welcome to this flash tutorial. I'm calling it flash tutorial more 1061 error code. When someone sends me something to look at, I try to not show their work because they spent a lot of time doing it. I just try to show as much as I need to get the idea across. Anyway, if I test this out, right away I get an error code. That's an error code, and the important things are where it is, and then sometimes the message helps. It's in the layer called actions. It's frame 6 is where this code is being detected on line 40. Here's the error code number 1061, and it says call to a possible undefined method add event listener through a reference blah 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 blah, and that's all I read. Sometimes they're really helpful, but sometimes they're, unless you have really good training, they're blah 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 to me. So anyway, I'm going to look at these lines and see what I can see. So I open up my actions panel, and if it just doesn't open here, go back to here, select, it was frame number, it's this actions layer. He has an action layer and an actions layer. It's this layer, and it was frame 6. I think that's frame 6. So I click here, look down to here, yes, that's frame 6. Open the actions panel, and it was line 40. And I've done this error code before, and I thought it was because something had to be a movie clip. Well, I played around with this one, and it doesn't appear that that was the answer. As a matter of fact, I really don't know why this error is appearing. It could be because this code is being used different spots, and this person is having no problem with it. It's just this one they're having problems with. And it could be that the word yesterday is a reserved word, although normally reserved words come up a different color, purple, green, or something, to let you know it's a word that they don't want you using. But anyway, all I did, I tried many things, but eventually what I did was I found this yesterday, and I took the day off it and just called it yester. Because I notice up here she has next button, back button, yester, and down here instead of Monday she has mum. Instead of the word horizontal she has whore or whatever. And instead of today she has TOD. Actually this is hour, but up here for some reason the person spells yesterday out. Don't know if that's the problem or not. Anyway, I go back to my timeline and I look at the screen and I hunt it through. Here's where the code is. So I'm thinking it's got to be one of these two lines here where this yesterday is. And I finally checked this layer right here, MCQ she has. I unlocked it and select this layer, and these all highlighted. And that's yesterday. There's the hour. There's the morning. There's to today. That's the word she was using. All those three work. This one doesn't. So I clicked on it, clicked off the side, and I selected just the yesterday, opened it up, and changed the name here to what I put in, yester. That's all I did, and I don't know why, but when I test this out, that error disappears. So maybe I was wrong about the button thing, because as long as I don't write yesterday, it works. Hope you learned something from this short tutorial, and I hope you use what you learn.